Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the Areca palm plant. This is a decorative plant and we keep this plant in our balcony, houses or even in our stairs. In this video, I'll just tell you some simple care of this plant. So let us start with this video. Here as you can see, this plant is in a very bad health. Here as you can see, most of the leaves are damaged or dried. And on their leaves there is a lot of dust collected. This plant normally does not need pruning, but here my mom is just removing the dried and damaged leaves. Also, the dust collected on its leaves can attract many insects, as this is the rainy season. Here, because of the rainy season, this plant had snails a few days ago. So my mom added eggshells. As the snails' bodies are very soft, they cannot walk on the eggshell. But as the snails are no longer there, my mom is simply removing the topsoil of the plant. Here now let me simply tell you some Areca palm care. First tip is to choose a location with a lot of sunlight. Second tip is to only water the plant when the soil starts to dry out. Also make sure to plant this plant in a well-draining, slightly acidic soil. And make sure to fertilize it regularly. Also in these plants you'll be able to see dried tips. That is mainly because of overwatering or underwatering. Here in this case it is overwatering. Now let me just discuss some frequently asked questions with you all. First question, are these plants hard to grow? The answer is no. These plants are not so challenging to grow. Just keep it near a place where it can find indirect bright sunlight. And make sure that this plant has only slightly moist soil. Also another question is, can we keep these plants in bedroom? The answer is that this plant is actually an air purifying plant. So you can keep it in bedrooms. But in nights it's preferred that you keep it outside. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.